Welcome back to Knowledge Bites. Today, we're exploring one of the most transformative and exciting fields of modern technology, artificial intelligence, or AI. From its theoretical foundations to its current state and future prospects, the journey of AI is filled with fascinating developments, groundbreaking discoveries, and impactful innovations. Stay with us as we delve deep into the history of AI. The concept of artificial intelligence can be traced back to ancient history, where myths and stories featured artificial beings endowed with intelligence or consciousness. However, the formal study of AI began much later, in the mid-20th century. In 1950, British mathematician and logician Alan Turing published a landmark paper titled, "Computing Machinery and Intelligence." In this paper, Turing introduced the idea of a machine that could simulate any human intelligence through the manipulation of symbols. He also proposed the famous Turing test, a method for determining whether a machine can exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. The official birth of AI as a distinct field of study is often dated to 1956, when the Dartmouth Conference was organized by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon. This conference brought together a group of researchers who believed that human intelligence could be precisely described and simulated by machines. John McCarthy, one of the organizers, coined the term artificial intelligence. During the early years, AI research focused on developing algorithms and programs that could perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence, such as playing chess, proving mathematical theorems, and solving complex problems. Early successes included programs like the Logic Theorist, developed by Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon, which could prove mathematical theorems. In the 1960s and 1970s, AI research saw significant advancements with the development of expert systems. These systems were designed to mimic the decision-making abilities of human experts in specific domains. One of the earliest and most famous expert systems was DENDRAL, developed at Stanford University for analyzing chemical compounds. Another notable expert system was MICEN, developed in the early 1970s to diagnose bacterial infections and recommend treatments. MICEN demonstrated the potential of AI to assist in complex medical decision-making processes, paving the way for future AI applications in healthcare. Despite early successes, AI research faced significant challenges in the 1970s and 1980s. One of the main difficulties was the limitations of available computing power and the complexity of real-world problems. Many AI systems struggled to handle uncertainty and ambiguity, leading to a period known as the AI winter, characterized by reduced funding and waning interest in AI research. During this time, researchers realized that many of the ambitious goals of early AI were more difficult to achieve than initially anticipated. The AI winter prompted a shift in focus toward more practical and incremental approaches to AI. AI research experienced a resurgence in the late 1980s and 1990s with the advent of machine learning techniques. Machine learning, a subfield of AI, focuses on developing algorithms that enable computers to learn from and make predictions based on data. This approach proved to be more effective for many practical applications. One of the key breakthroughs in machine learning was the development of artificial neural networks, inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. In 1986, Geoffrey Hinton, David Rumelhart, and Ronald Williams published a seminal paper on backpropagation, a learning algorithm for training neural networks. This work laid the foundation for the modern field of deep learning. The 21st century brought about significant advancements in AI, driven by the availability of vast amounts of data, big data, and increased computing power. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, emerged as a powerful technique for training large neural networks on massive datasets. In 2012, a deep learning model developed by a team at the University of Toronto, led by Geoffrey Hinton, won the ImageNet competition, a benchmark for image recognition. This achievement marked a turning point for AI, demonstrating the potential of deep learning to achieve human-level performance in complex tasks. Deep learning techniques have since been applied to a wide range of applications, including natural language processing, speech recognition, and autonomous vehicles. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft have invested heavily in AI research, leading to rapid advancements and the proliferation of AI-powered technologies in everyday life. Today, AI is an integral part of our daily lives. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant leverage natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to user queries. AI algorithms power recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix and Amazon, personalizing content for users based on their preferences. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment planning. Machine learning models can analyze medical images, predict disease outbreaks, and assist in drug discovery. Autonomous vehicles, powered by AI, promise to transform transportation, making it safer and more efficient. As AI continues to advance, it raises important ethical and societal questions. Issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the impact of AI on employment require careful consideration. Ensuring that AI is developed and deployed responsibly is crucial to maximizing its benefits while minimizing potential harms. Looking to the future, AI holds immense promise for addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges, from climate change to healthcare accessibility. Researchers are exploring new frontiers in AI, such as reinforcement learning, generative models, and explainable AI, to create systems that are more capable, transparent, and aligned with human values. The history of artificial intelligence is a story of relentless pursuit, innovation, and adaptation. From its theoretical beginnings to its current state as a transformative technology, AI has come a long way, driven by the vision and dedication of researchers and practitioners around the world. As we move forward, the continued evolution of AI will undoubtedly shape our future in profound and unpredictable ways. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of artificial intelligence. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of technology and innovation. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.